The Childress family says that you're doing a great job and she enjoys the live channel.
You know what? I had a long talk with Mr. Childress, and I like you guys. There's a lot of good heart in that family. I watched some of y'all's videos with your singing, and it's really fun to see that in a family when everybody's all messed up. Thanks for the heads up. Hopefully I'm helping. That's really all I'm trying to do here is try to help. I'm not trying to tell you what to do. I'm just trying to give you some of the experience that I have, and I know there's guys who have more experience in any given trade, but I'm just sharing with you where they might not have the time. What I know, and if somebody comes along and wants to correct me, the one thing I do know is that I'm not perfect. Okay? The day that I stop making mistakes will be the day I'm dead. Okay? I just try not to make a lot of mistakes. I try to think about what's best for the people that I'm helping. And along this way, what I'm doing here is leaving my feelings with people, and hopefully I'm conveying that I actually care about people. So if that's the case, that makes me feel better. Hopefully, if I go back and look at it and say I need to change my attitude about something, I'll try to do that. And one of the things that I've been doing is telling myself, hey, you're at this person's house to make their life better instead of you're at this person's house to make money. So this same thing comes with talking online. What I want to do is try to make your life better with the information that I'm sharing with you. Hopefully that helps you make decisions that you want to make.